Today I want to settle the score on a common myth. Whiskey sours don't require egg whites. I know, edgy. With that said, I'm gonna make this classic cocktail both ways, and I'm gonna show you what I do to integrate egg white into a drink without cracking an egg. Personally, I don't like the mess, and I don't like wasting an egg yolk. I want to give you the option to egg white or not to egg white with this delicious cocktail, the Whiskey Sour. And if you enjoy these short and to the point cocktail videos, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. So with that said, let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, you'll need, of course, whiskey. You'll need freshly squeezed lemon juice. I've already taken the liberty of freshly squeezing my lemon juice, simple syrup, as well as the optional egg white. I personally like carton egg whites because I can measure out exactly how much I want, and it's more of a consistent product. But if you'd like to crack an egg, one whole egg white would work. And the tools I need for this drink are a shaker set, a fruit squeezer, a fruit peeler, and a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar, as well as in this cocktail, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, add in 2 ounces of whiskey. Now it's time to add 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next, add a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. If I was just making this cocktail without egg whites, I'd be done. So for now, I'll add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now strain everything into that chilled cube glass. And set it aside. Now let's rewind everything to the part where I could just add egg whites. All right, now it's time to add egg whites, and in my case, I'm using carton egg whites, and I can just measure out 3 tablespoons, which equals 1 egg white. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. And strain everything into that chilled coupe glass. Now bring both cocktails back, and I'm going to peel some orange and express the oils over the drink. And there you have it, the Whiskey Sour 2 ways. So try the one without egg whites. This drink is undeniably a whiskey sour, but I'm so used to this drink with an egg white that it's obviously off. There are definitely people out there who don't feel comfortable with an egg white, and this drink would work for them, but there are so many better drinks to have than just a whiskey sour without egg white. It's good, it's tart, but it's not what I'm expecting. Going to the one with egg white, so much better. The one thing I'll say about the egg white is that it balances out the acidity, and the only way I can describe it is that it's more of a velvety finish. If you can get past your fear of egg whites, this drink is so much better with it than without. When you have the egg white to kind of cut out the acidity from all that citrus, you can really start to taste that whiskey come through, and this is an overall more balanced drink. But don't take my word for it, what are your thoughts? Do you like this drink? Would you make it with or without egg white? Which one do you prefer? Additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button as I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a lot. And with that said, till next time, cheers.